This just in. Asteroid danger, a 2,700 megaton asteroid might impact our Earth this October. This is according to NASA. Sebastian Ketley Express UK reports an asteroid with a destructive power of 2,700 megatons of explosive TNT risks slamming into Earth after this year, NASA asteroid trackers reveal. The imposing asteroid is dubbed asteroid FT3. It'll come barreling past our home planet October 3rd, 2019. NASA expects the flyby to mark the first of 165 approaches between this year, 2019, and 2116. 165 flybys. That's more than one a year. Now, in any one of these asteroid flybys, the risk of cataclysm is low, but should the asteroid veer off course and straight into Earth, the results could be cataclysmic. Asteroid FT3 is a monstrous rocky object measuring an estimated 340 meters, that's 1,115 feet in diameter. NASA further estimates the asteroid weighs an incredible 55 billion kilometers. Yes, that's billion. 55 billion kilometers. If the asteroid were to ever hit the Earth at the point of atmospheric entry, the rock would slam into the planet at 20.37 kilograms per second, or that's more than 45,400 miles per hour. The force of the impact would likely be equal to 2,700 megatons of TNT, or 2.7 million tons of TNT. For comparison, the nuclear bomb dropped on Japan's Hiroshima in 1945 towards the end of the World War II was in the range of 13 kilotons to 18 kilotons, 13,000 to 18,000 tons of TNT. The first day on which this could happen falls October 3rd this year. After that, NASA estimates the small chance of the asteroid hitting us October 2nd, 2024, and then October 3rd, 2025. Asteroid FT3 is a so-called Apollo-type space rock, meaning it follows an orbit similar to asteroid 1862 Apollo. The trajectory also means it circles the Sun within the confines of the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. NASA first spotted the rock March 20th, 2007, and has since confirmed FT3's orbit based on a total of 14 observations. The U.S. Space Agency NASA said, in the unlikely case where a particular potential impact event persists until the orbit is relatively well constrained, the impact probability and associated risk will tend to increase as observations are added. This is not too paradoxical. If an asteroid is indeed going to come very near the Earth, then a collision cannot be ruled out early on. The impact probability will tend to grow as the orbit is refined and alternative and safer trajectories are eliminated. Eventually, the impact probability will drop, usually quite abruptly, to zero, or if the asteroid is really on a collision trajectory, it will continue to grow until it reaches 100%. So what are the odds of this asteroid striking the Earth in October? Thankfully, the risk is incredibly low, but it is not non-existent. There is a small chance, about 1 in 11 million, asteroid FT3 will crash into us in the next 3 months. The odds of impact translate to 0.0000092% chance of cataclysm, or a 99.9999908% chance the asteroid will miss Earth. Thank goodness. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.